Good morning, llamas. You caught me just finishing my breakfast. Do you remember when we used to sit at the table for breakfast and talk about what we were going to do for the day, what we are going to learn, who we're going to play with? Well, we're kind of doing that today. So I'm just finishing my breakfast. And do you remember what we used to do after we had breakfast? 3, 2, 1. I know we used to walk down the hall back to our classroom, and then we would walk to the table, walk to the table, walk to the table, then we'll sit right down. And then if you remember, we had something sitting right there at the table, didn't we? Our toothbrush. And we had some toothpaste. So I'm going to put a little bit on here. Okay, and do you remember our toothbrush song? I have our toothbrush song. Let me get it here. You ready? Get your toothbrush. You can even pause the video if you want to get your toothbrush. Here we go.
Brush your teeth up and down. Brush your teeth round and round. Brush your teeth from left to right. Brush your teeth in the morning and night. Brush, brush, brush. Brush, brush, brush. Brush your teeth in the morning and night. Brush your teeth to keep them white. Brush your teeth so your smile is bright. Brush your teeth, it's so much fun. Brush your teeth when the day's begun. Brush, brush, brush. Brush, brush, brush. Brush your teeth when the day's begun. Brush your teeth, just open wide. Brush your teeth from side to side. Brush your teeth, you sleepyhead. Brush your teeth before you go to bed. Brush, brush, brush. Brush, brush, brush. Brush your teeth before you go to bed.
You get the ones way in the back.
Brush your teeth up and down. Brush your teeth round and round. Brush your teeth from left to right. Brush your teeth in the morning and night. Brush, brush, brush. Brush, brush, brush. Brush your teeth in the morning and night.
Good job if you're doing that morning and night. That's just awesome. Here, let me get my screen back. Make sure I shut my video off. There we go. Okay, so it's been almost a month since we have been together, and I really miss my friends. I didn't think I shut my video off. Let me try. Hang on 1 second.
I like to eat apples and bananas.
There, we'll try that. Okay, it's been a while since we've been together, I know. And so I have a really big surprise for you. Look at this. Do you know what this is? Envelope. Envelope starts with E. And there's something inside. Do you see this? This is a mini Miss Lori. Hi! I'm going to send one to each and every one of my friends this week. And when you do things at home, say you're cooking with your mommy, or you're cleaning up with your sister, whatever you're doing, you take a picture of it and you can either email it to me, you can put it on Seesaw, or you can put it in Class Tag. Your mommy and daddy can help you with that. I want to see what you're doing at home, and I am so excited to see what you're doing. Okay, remember, take a picture with mini Miss Lori. I also got some new pencils this week. but there was no label on it. So I need you to help me count how many new pencils I have. Uh-oh, here we go. I think I finally got it open. And if I can, maybe I'll put one in your envelope. I'll see how much it will cost. See these pretty little pencils? Okay, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Do you remember how to make a 12? I know it starts with 1. Let me get my pencil here. I'm going to write a 12. Remember, it started with a 1 and a 2. 12. You guessed it. You're doing a good job. You remember your numbers. I'm glad that you're practicing at home. It makes me very happy. Now, I have one question for you this week. I need to record a read aloud, not for this week, but for next week. And I was wondering, what book would you like to hear? Would you like to hear my new book, When You Need a Friend? Or would you like to hear Creepy Carrots? Do you remember when we read that book in school? Well, you tell me. Again, you can either email me, you can post it on Class Tag, you can put it on your journal in Seesaw. You tell me what read-along book you would like me to record for next week. Okay, let's see if we can practice our Days of the Week song. Remember that?